Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Kai Creations. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to make a zipper with tote bag. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So this is the clothing material I will be using to make the tote bag. And for the measurement, the wideness is 14 inches by 16 inches length. And for the handle, I cut out 2 and the measurement is 30 inches length by 3 inches wide. Then I cut out the 2 zipper clothes and the measurement is 3 inches wide by 14 inches length. I cut out lining for the 2 and also 17 inches zipper. Now I'll be working on the 2 handle first. I'll take one out of the handle, I'll fold it into 2 to get the midpoint of it. After that, I'll fold one side to the middle. Then I'll also fold the second side to the middle. Then I'll fold the 2 together to become 1. Then place it under the machine and start stitching it till it gets down. So I'm done stitching both the handle. After stitching the one I'm stitching, I also stitch the other side so that both will have stitching. Now we'll move to the zipper aspect by joining the zipper to the zipper clothes. Then I'll be using one zipper mouth, zipper stopper and also gum to join the zipper stopper and zipper together. So I will take one out of the zipper clothes. I'll measure 1 inches from each side for starting and stopping of the zipper. I'll separate the zipper first. Take the zipper, I'll place it on the zipper clothes starting from the 1 inches, right side facing each other this way. Because I must hide where the zipper will stop, because whenever I'm pulling the zipper inside from where the zipper will start, it will not be pulling out again. Then place it under the machine and stitch it a little bit. After that, I'll bring the zipper on the zipper cloth and start stitching the rest down, stopping at the 1 inches. And this is how to sew the zipper starting from 1 inches and also stopping at 1 inches. I'll take the lining, I'll place it on it and stitch it with it. Forget that you will pull this long zipper out, you won't stitch it down with it, because that is where the zipper will pass through, the zipper mouth. So I'm done stitching the lining on it. Now I will turn the lining to the back side, but I'm not stop stitching it. Now I'll place it under the machine and stitch it round together with the lining. After that, I'll trim out the excess lining that remains. I'll take the main body, I'll fold it into 2 to get the midpoint of it. Then I'll place the tail at the middle. I'll measure 3 inches from this side and also 3 inches from this side. Then I'll take the handle, I'll place it at the front of the 3 inches of both sides and stitch it with it. So as you can see, I'm done sewing the 2 handles to the main body. After that, I'll fold the main body together this way. Then I'll place it under the machine and stitch both sides. And make sure the stitching is neat. I'm done with the stitching. Now I will add the zipper cloth to it. So I've used zipper mouths to join both the zipper cloth together after trimming out the excess lining. Now I will join the zipper cloth together and stitch each side. I'll turn the main body to the right side. And this is the zipper cloth I joined together earlier. I also turn it to the right side. After that, I will open it up and turn it to the back side. Then I will insert the main body inside it and make sure that the mouth of both rhyme with each other. Then I'll place it under the machine and start stitching both together. And this is it after joining both together at the mouth. Now I will turn the zipper cloth inside so that I can top stitch the mouth. So I'm done top stitching the mouth of the bag. You can see that the zipper cloth stay inside very well. After that, I will be inserting the zipper into the zipper stopper. I'll take the zipper, I'll fold the mouth together. Then take the zipper stopper, pour a little bit of gum inside it. Then I will put the zipper inside the zipper stopper to gum together. And that is how to make a zipper with tote bag. So we have come to the end of how to make a zipper with tote bag. If you have really learned something from it and you enjoy watching it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye. See you in the next tutorial.